Welcome to Automedics. My name is Benedict Oko, and I'm here to introduce to you Polytron, a breakthrough in technology in the world of micro lubrication. This is a product that reduces friction by 95%. And I'm here to demonstrate to you the difference between Polytron and every other lubricant in the market. Now, let's say this is your engine and it's running without engine oil in it. Let's assume you lose your engine oil and your engine is running. Now take note of what happens here, because the engine is going to wear out and some of the mechanical components are going to wear out there. You see the particles there. Now each of these is 1 kilogram, and by leverage it exerts a pressure of 6-ton weight on this lever here. Now see what happens. You're running it without engine oil. This is what happens to your engine. And eventually it packs up, the engine knocks. This is what happens to your vehicle if you don't have engine oil inside the sump. Now we are going to see what happens if you have the best engine oil in the market in your engine. This is one of the best engine oil in the market. It is synthetic 5W30 and the API is SN, so you know it's one of the best. Now we're going to add this oil in the sump. Now this is your sump here, and we have it right here. And then we allow the engine to run, to lubricate it. Now let's try the same demonstration again. Now you have oil in your engine, the best oil in the market. Now let's see how many weights it will be able to take. Two. It knocked again. It's not able to go beyond each one exerts the pressure of 6 tons. So we have a total of 12-ton pressure on the bearing. Now the engine is knocked if you exert that kind of pressure. Now let's see what happens when we add Polytron to the same best engine oil in the market. Now what we'll do now is add a little Polytron. Now you can see the knock that occurred to the bearing because of the lubrication system was not able to protect your engine. So this shows that your engine will knock if you put that kind of pressure on it. You can see it here. Now let's turn this face. Now you can see the knock. Now we're going to turn another face right here. Now this is a fresh face. And we are going to add Polytron to our oil. Now we allow it to circulate. When you put Polytron in your engine, you'll run the engine for some few moments. And now let's see what happens. You notice that the sound has also reduced because friction has been reduced by 95%. Now let us see what happens when we put pressure on the engine now. Two, 3. When we use the best oil, it couldn't go up to 3. But now you can see Polytron in this engine, it's 3 and still running very smooth without any noise. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is a total of 60-ton weight on the bearing, and it's still running. The next demonstration to see what happens to your engine when you treat the engine with Polytron and peradventure you run into something and then you lose your engine oil. Let's see what happens in a situation like that. Now you lose your sum. This is your sum here with the oil. There's no oil in the sum. And you still have your engine. And it's running. No oil. Remember the first time we tried it, there was no oil. You couldn't take up to 2 of this, which is 12 tons. Now let's see what happens if you treat your engine with Polytron, how many tons it will be able to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means even if you lose your oil and your engine is treated with Polytron already, your engine will not knock. That is the assurance that Polytron gives you. It doesn't just end there. Let's assume you have oil in your engine but contaminated with water. We know what water does inside engine oil. Let's assume you also have water in it. That is what we are going to do in the next demonstration now. Now put the sump back again. But this time we are going to contaminate your engine with water in it. Let's add water. Now we have water in your engine mixed with the engine oil, but the engine is already treated with Polytron. Now let's see what happens. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. That means no matter what happens to your engine, if it's treated with Polytron, nothing can stop it working. 60-ton weight, and it's still running with water contaminated in it. There's nothing like it in the market. Now you can see the benefit of Polytron. See when we didn't use Polytron, see the kind of wear you have in your engine. You can see that is very deep and it can knock your engine. Now look at what happened here on this side with Polytron. All you have there is a polished surface of the metal. Now Polytron reduces friction by 95%. And if you reduce friction by 95%, which means the noise level in your engine will reduce, the amount of fuel your vehicle consumes will also reduce, and then you have cleaner emission and less breakdown and service intervals. Polytron is a product that is designed to prolong your engine life.
Hello, my name is Kunle Shonaike. What Polytron can do, the things these technologically improved oil will do to your engine. One, it reduces friction in your engine and it elongates your engine lifespan. It will also increase your service interval. It reduces fuel consumption. in a situation where you run out of oil or your engine runs out of oil, this product will also let you drive tens of miles in a certain condition, just to affirm what Dr. Ben has just shown you guys, the demonstration. Again, my name is Kunle Shonaike from Automedics.